guys, I just received a new hallway runner that I'm going to put down and show you right now. Excuse the dirty floor. Finally, yesterday it rained all day, it rained all morning here in Illinois, and now the sun came out. Yay! The sun is so... Yes, it is. It's out, Jax. My doodle, he wants to go OUT. But I got to get these videos produced of all this good stuff, Jax. I got to work on this stuff. I can't go outside and play all day long. Now I've got a runner. And it's beautiful and black, gray, and white it looks like, or just black and gray. And this will give us some cushion on our feet when we're walking instead of having just the tile that I showed you. What was funny is I noticed that, I wanted to tell you, I have my little Roomba. It's not a Roomba, it's a different brand of little robot sweeper going, if you hear that. I totally forgot I had that running. That thing saves me so much time. If you don't have a little robot sweeper, get one, because guess what? It hits every little nook and cranny. Like, my floors have never looked so clean because it hits all the edges along the walls. I like it. And we're going to be getting new doors for our hallway. You can see where the dogs have got it dirty on the bottom. But I want to get brand new doors for all of our bedrooms and bathroom. And so, I love it. And so if you'd like one, it's on TikTok Shop, and I'll link it below for you. And here is the company name, Well Woven. We do what we can, and you will love this. If you need it in a living room, it's beautiful too for a living room because it's plush and it's soft. And so let me know if you get one.